If you have less than $1,000 saved right now, you're not alone. But if you don't fix this soon, one small emergency could completely wipe you out. Most people think saving money is about earning more. It's not. It's about controlling what you already have, and most people never learn this. These are simple and practical steps to getting you ahead financially. Step 1. Stop the leaks. Track every dollar for 3 days. You'll immediately see where your money is disappearing. Step 2. The $50 rule. Save just $50 per week. That's $200 per month. In 5 months, you hit $1,000. Step 3. Separate your savings. Open a different account. If you see it, you'll spend it. Step 4. Emergency-only mindset. This money is not for shopping, trips, or fun. Only real emergencies. Do this, and in a few months, you'll be ahead of most people financially. Yes, you can. This is Money Blueprint. Subscribe for more money tips.